Hi guys, we're back with another video. We're not going to talk about tech this time. If you saw my last video, I unboxed the iPad Pro 128 gigabyte LTE Wi-Fi model. I also picked up the Magic Keyboard. Very excited for this. I'm very excited that iPad OS has trackpad support now. I had the Folio keyboard with my previous iPad, the 12.9, 128, not 128 gig, 64 gig, second gen. I had mixed feelings about that. Keyboard didn't really make it feel to me like a laptop. If that's what you're going for, is a laptop replacement. Folio keyboard just didn't feel that way for me. It just felt flimsy, sometimes difficult just to fold it the right way for what you want it to do. This just seems to make so much more sense. Like, look how simple it is to fold that. The Folio keyboard, there's like 3 different ways you can fold it, and it just felt flimsy and all over the place. This is also backlit, and as you can see from the picture, it also has USB-C pass-through. Now, I've looked, and it's only for charging, from what I understand, not for data. But what that does do is frees up the USB-C port on your iPad to use that to connect a hard drive, whatever accessory you have. So it's pretty neat, and it just makes it feel more like a laptop plugging it in here to charge. It just feels more logical that way for once. So yeah, I forgot to say what my iPad retailed for. I picked it up for $12.49 Canadian. The Magic Keyboard I picked up for $3.99 Canadian. So it's a pricey keyboard. You'll just have to try and justify if it's worth the money for yourself to pay for it. I think it's well worth it for me. I'm sure I'll get lots of use out of this. And I've seen reviews on the trackpad and the keyboard. It's the scissor keys, I believe, and magnetically it won't fall off. So let's get to it. Open this thing up. All right, and we'll throw the plastic away. Don't need that. I'll take the top off. There we go. Took a little bit of work. We'll set that there. Oh, look at that. This is heavy, guys. This is heavier. I believe it's close to like 2 times the weight of the iPad Pro itself. But that's what the keyboard looks like. I've been told it's the same material that, yeah, it feels like the same material from the the Folio keyboard. But I'll give you a close look. That's where you have the USB-C port. So they call it a floating keyboard. The iPad just floats over it. So let's see if I can open it up one-handed. All right, there we go. We'll take out the cardboard. Nothing really there of importance. So yeah, I can hear that. You hear that click, and now that adjusts. Yeah, it just clicks everywhere. Very nice. The keys are awesome. Like, this is very beautiful. Like, very low travel, but it feels solid. Trackpad has that click to it. Yeah, this is amazing. I really like this. Let's place this here. I hope you can see it all right. We'll just show how easy it is to. That's it. Look how That's the travel you have. Travel you have. And then folds up. Yeah, that's very heavy, guys. Really heavy. Yeah. Easily, even the box itself with the keyboard in it, even though it's a smaller box, way heavier than the iPad Pro box. But yeah, man, that's got some heft to it. So you can only imagine if you have the 12.9, it's going to be even heavier. Not a bad thing. There's a click. Yeah, it's not a bad thing. You figure it's gotta have that weight to it so that it doesn't tip back so easily. Yeah. Well, I'm very excited, guys, to have this. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna set this thing up. But I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. Second unboxing. Please hit that subscribe and like, hit the notification bell so that anytime I put up a video, you'll get notified. Again, this is a very new channel. And I want to grow this thing, and I want to put out weekly content. Like, I would love to be able to put out 2 videos a week, maybe 3. You know, let's get this thing going. You know, I don't have the most professional cameras, you know, but I really like doing these videos for you guys. So I think that's it, guys. Till next time, have a great day. Cheers.